Okay, the tree is down. What do? Let's cut it up. We're up in the sizable pieces that dry out. Build a fire. You must have a fire. And when that dries, you split it like this.